Hey everybody, for today's art lesson I'm going to show you how you can make your own winter cat illustration inspired by the illustrator Richard Scarry. Now I'm using an oil pastel. You can also use a Sharpie if you want. I'm going to start by drawing two circles in the middle of my paper, and then I'm adding two little lines to make it look like cat eyes and the pupil in the middle. In between the two eyes I'm doing a small triangle, and then on either side of the triangles I'm drawing two circular shapes, and then I'm going to add the mouth by doing a little triangle shape. And then the whiskers. Now the ears are triangles again, and there we have our cat's face. Now I'm doing two half circles for the side of the face, and now you can add your hats. I'm gonna add a woolly hat, but you can add any type of hat you want. You don't have to copy or, So that's the ribbing. It's going up, and I have the pom-pom, and then the all-important scarf. Notice how my lines are a bit wavy to show the kind of wool texture. And then you can add some patterns on your scarf. I'm going to do stripes, but it's up to you what you do. And for the coats, I'm just adding lines on the side and some buttons. We can imagine that the arms are tucked away in pockets. For our background, I'm adding some mountains, but you can add any background you want. And now it's time for painting. Woohoo! If you don't have any paint, you can use any other way of coloring. I'm using watercolor, and look how I'm using this kind of dabbing method so that I get a nice kind of texture. And I'm also adding different color tones using the wet on wet technique. You can use any color you want. It's your drawing, it's your painting. I'm just having fun with bright colors. Make sure you wait until each part dries before you draw the next one, so that your colors don't bleed into each other. And for my background, I'm having a snow scene, just adding a tiny bit of blue to get kind of the reflection of the blue sky on the snow. And that's it. I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see what you do. Bye!